Hey, what is going on, guys? So you have a iPhone 10, 10R, 10s, even the iPhone 11. I'm going to show you how to turn the keyboard click sound on and off. Okay, very, very simple. So I have the keyboard clicks on now. So anywhere I go with the keyboard, for example, let's go up here and you can hear the click. Even if the volume is all the way down, you can still hear the click. However, if you have the ringer on mute, you're not going to be able to hear anything. So let me go ahead and unmute it again, and let me show you how to navigate here. So simply just go into your settings here, and then from your settings, you want to scroll down. You want to go to sounds and haptics, tap on that, scroll all the way down, and near the third to the bottom, it says keyboard clicks. You can toggle it off or toggle it on. Okay, so if I have it off here, obviously you're not going to hear nothing, but if I have it on, then you will be able to hear it. But don't forget, if you have the ringer on mute, you're not going to be able to hear it. Okay, anyways, there you go. Any questions, comment below. Thanks for watching. Bye.